Hey, I want to stay on trade, and of course, Apple. We just heard the watches and earbuds spared this latest round of tariffs. Joining us now, veteran market watcher, legendary investor, Jim Awad. Jim, it's a pleasure seeing you.
It's always my pleasure.
Apple, listen, obviously they make a lot of products in China. They came under years of criticism with their relationship with Foxconn. Do you think ultimately this can hurt them? I don't think it hurts them as much as it will hurt smaller businesses.
Yeah, I agree with you completely. Apple is so dominant in what they do, so innovative, so creative, so financially powerful, so flexible in terms of their supply chain that this will not be an event. They will continue to grow, and it will hurt weaker competitors. But this is a football game. It's a lot of blocking and tackling, and I think when it's all said and done, I agree with your point that I think ultimately Trump and the United States comes out the winner, and of course Apple also.
When do these corporations do some blocking and tackling on behalf of the administration? And I say that because, you know, these companies keep blaming the tariffs, a lot of them that haven't even gone into effect when they have their own individual corporate deficiencies. And I think if we're going to try to win this thing, it should be all hands on deck.
Well, I think as the pain escalates, as the tariffs get implemented and go higher, then people will realize this is a here and now, right, not something in theory, and everybody will pull together, adjust their supply chains so that we can change the dynamics in this relationship.
All right, Jim, hold it right there. Thank you very much. Next one for you. I want to ask you about this situation in Tesla, the diving. You remember the rescue attempt and those ugly tweets that went out. Well, now he was called a pedophile by Elon Musk, and now he's filed a lawsuit. A chain of ugly events that have nothing to do with the corporation itself, but certainly seem to have impacted Tesla stock. Where would you be as an investor?
Well, what you would hope for. He's a creative genius who needs a professional management and a professional spokesman to convey his message. The best thing that he can do now is figure out how to make enough cars at a profitable price. The competition.
Would you say this quarter is do or die for him?
I would say, well, not necessarily do or die, but 5-yard line. That he can probably pull it together, keep it going a little bit further, but it's now or never in terms of 12-month periods because the competition is getting stronger.
All right, Jim, thank you very much.